students, the question is, which is the typical example of feedback inhibition? A. Cyanide and cytochrome reaction. B. Sulfa drugs and folic acid synthetase bacteria. C. Allosteric inhibition of hexokinase by glucose 6-phosphate. D. Reaction between succinic dehydrogenase and succinic acid. So मुझे हमें सबसे पहले समझना होगा feedback inhibition. It is also known as end product inhibition. Why it is referred as end product inhibition? Because यहाँ पे जो end product substrate produces a product, a substrate S is there. Suppose substrate S is there, that produces certain product P through a series of reaction. पहले बना A, intermediate product, then B, intermediate product, then C, intermediate product, and ultimately the P product, final product is produced. Now here at the end product, when there is a high concentration or the accumulation of final product occurs, it inhibits the activity of first enzyme, the enzyme that works on substrate. ये enzyme 1, यहाँ enzyme 2, enzyme 3 और enzyme 4 work कर रहा था. It inhibits the enzyme 1 so that this enzyme, अब ये जिस enzyme को ये inhibit कर रहा है, जिसकी activity को, so that product नहीं बने, उस enzyme को हम बोलते हैं allosteric enzyme. Here E1 is allosteric enzyme that is inhibited, stopped. उसकी shape में, active site में, allosteric enzyme पे कैसे काम करेगा inhibition में? It changes the active site of enzyme. Active site of enzyme. How it changes the active site of enzyme? By changing the shape of active site of enzyme. अब enzyme की active site change हो जाएगी तो substrate bind नहीं होगा, ये series of reaction यहीं पे रुक जाएंगे. So this is feedback mechanism when end product itself stops the enzyme to work, and such type of enzyme is called allosteric enzyme, and it is found when glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate during glycolysis with the help of an enzyme hexokinase. Accumulation of glucose 6-phosphate inhibits the changes the shape of hexokinase enzyme, active site of hexokinase enzyme, so that no more glucose can be changed to glucose 6-phosphate. So the correct answer here is option C. Thank you.